This is my latest Amazon acquisition, the wireless outdoor solar security camera by Camstro. Let's see what's in the box. We've got a security sticker, instruction manual, and the reason I picked this camera, the solar panel for power. All right, the camera feels pretty solid. And last but not least, solar panel mount, charging cable, and camera mount. All right, that's everything in the box. First thing, they say charge the camera fully. We've got this camera and I charged it as you're supposed to do. Let's see if we can figure out how to set this thing up. Please read before usage. You need an app. We're gonna just connect to the Cloud Edge app. All right, let's see, how do you turn this thing on? Push the power button for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Open the Cloud Edge app. All right, there should be a queue. Oh, there we go. All right, so yeah, I scanned that and it added enter configurator. Oh, it's gonna walk me through it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next. Searching for Wi-Fi. It's doing stuff. I just want to see my face. Oh, here we go. I got it. I think it's working. I wonder if I can screen capture that. My hair looks terrible. It's so humid. I am got to install this thing now. I should have probably installed it, then connected it, because it's giving me a bunch of alerts every time it moves. My house kind of has a long driveway from the front door to the back of the house to the garage. Because of my long driveway, I decided to put the camera back here, kind of at the back of the house, so I can see if, FedEx or anybody drives back here to drop off a package. The camera's pretty nice. And because of the versatile ability to aim it and the mounting bracket, which I flung to the ground, you can mount from the bottom or the top. So I'm going to stick it right here, kind of facing up there, so I can see if somebody drives down my driveway. Why I liked this camera and why I picked it. It charges with the solar panel. Actually, and it's so bright right here, I might could no, just kidding. Yeah, it's just got one of these little gizmos. I'm just gonna unscrew that, and then I mount that where I want the panel. The solar panel. Can you see that? It's got a little plug on the bottom. And this is where I charged it to begin with too. Kind of snugs its ass down in there. Came with all the installation hardware you need. So now, put this on here, aim it at the giant battery in the sky. I'm gonna zip tie that wire up to that antenna. Okay? Alright, let's open this app and see if it's working. There we are. I did have to move the camera because where I had it on my garage was too far away to pair with my Wi-Fi. When the corner of the garage wasn't working, I just moved the camera to that corner. See how the solar panel's on the roof? That's because there was no wood to attach to that really would have been in the sun on this spot. So I put a couple pieces of butyl tape underneath that thing and just stuck it on the roof. This is still in a good spot. I still can see if FedEx or UPS or anybody with ill intent starts coming down my driveway to my garage. Hey, wait a minute. What's that? What's that guy doing? Oh, no, you don't. You better not be making a very slow getaway on that. I gotta go stop this guy. I only have 10 or 15 minutes before he's out of range. If you're looking for a security camera for your backyard that you don't have to worry about keeping power to, this is a perfect option. They do have options too for a subscription where you can check in remotely. I'm pretty happy just using this with the Wi-Fi settings. My phone alerts me if I'm on the same Wi-Fi network if something's going on back there. If you would like to buy this, check out my link in the description along with the coupon code and save 15% from Amazon.